Do you know what the best sidekick for your Galaxy phone is? It is the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Think we're lying?
No.
The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are great for active noise cancellation, and you will appreciate the seamless device pairing and increased efficiency this provides. It also offers an auto-Ambient mode that reduces the volume so you can have a more natural conversation with the other person. Join us today as we discuss why the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is the best earbud so far. Design. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are made entirely of matte plastic, from the carrying case to the earbuds themselves, providing a trendy and modern appearance. A matte wedding ring-shaped charging case, complete with an LED indicator light and a USB Type-C charging connection, is at your disposal. When you pop the case open, you'll find the new and improved Buds 2 Pro earphones within the charging case magnetically. Wow! While the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro may not seem to be the smallest earbuds at first appearance, they are surprisingly light and comfortable once placed in the ear. These in-ear earbuds are surprisingly pleasant to use for an extended period. The Buds 2 Pro is sweat-resistant, so you can work out without worrying about them coming out of your ears. Supported devices. These headphones shine because they're compatible with any Android device running version 5 or later.
Interesting.
We all know that the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are compatible with Samsung smartphones, but can you use them with an Apple iPhone or iPad? The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, like the AirPods by Apple, significantly reduces its capabilities when coupled with an iPhone. No Samsung wearable app is available for iOS, so you won't even be able to modify the earphone's factory settings. Well, in a minute, we'll have a look at what features you'll get. In the meanwhile, make sure to subscribe to stay abreast of the newest news on Samsung wearables. Sound quality. These earbuds have a strong bass response and produce clear guitars.
I love that.
And they also bring out a lot of subtle sound subtleties that I often miss with lesser headphones. When listening to music on an Android device, the user may experiment with different equalization settings to enhance the bass, boost the treble, or reduce the volume. With 24-bit hi-fi sound, one of the new features of the Buds 2 Pro, Samsung claims superior audio quality compared to the 16-bit sound you'll receive from regular Bluetooth earphones. Additionally, the Buds 2 Pro offers head-tracking 360-degree audio. Intelligent 360 audio enhances the realism of the sound, producing an immersive experience. The 360 audio with direct multi-channel, Dolby Atmos, and increased head tracking ensures that all movements remain in sync. Even when you turn your head, 360 audio can detect the direction of the sound, creating a spatial experience. Features. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is jam-packed with cutting-edge additional features and specifications thanks to Samsung. The primary benefit of the Buds 2 Pro is its end-to-end 24-bit high-resolution hi-fi audio. As a result, 24-bit audio from platforms like Amazon Music can be heard just as the musician wants by the user thanks to its complete decoding and playback capabilities.
Lovely.
Buds 2 Pro's improved codec makes this feasible. Samsung says every note sounds like the real thing because clear audio starts at the source with your favorite Samsung Galaxy device. The updated Samsung Seamless Codec encodes the full 24-bit audio to decode on the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, maintaining that same 24-bit high-quality sound. For this reason, the SSC Hi-Fi codec can reliably reproduce the entire bit depth of a 24-bit audio source. Don't get too giddy. There's something to keep in mind. When coupled with a Samsung Galaxy Mobile, full 24-bit playback is only possible with One UI version 4.0 or later. If you've got an older Android smartphone that doesn't allow this software update, the 24-bit audio stream will be compressed to 16-bit.
Oh no!
The earbuds provide dynamic head tracking and direct multi-channel capability for a more immersive listening experience. Listening to music on Tidal that were mixed in Atmos, or seeing a movie with an Atmos 5.1 or 7.1 surround soundtrack will be a more enveloping experience. Bluetooth 5.3 is also included, which is a major improvement over the previous version. The ability to capture 360-degree audio with these earphones is the key benefit they will provide. We'll go into how well the upgraded active noise cancellation ANC, works with the Buds 2 Pro shortly. But for now, just know that ambient noise vanishes the moment you slip them on. Conversation mode, also known as voice detect, detects when you are conversing and immediately changes to ambient mode, reducing the level so you can hear the other person more clearly. According to Samsung, this feature will save you valuable time by preventing you from having to utilize the earbuds touch controls to make the changeover or remove them totally.
Very smart. Very smart.
All of the Buds 2 Pro's capabilities, such as the ability to toggle between noise settings and deactivate the touch controls with a single tap through a widget on the home screen, will be available to anyone who owns a Samsung Galaxy phone. As we've already noted, the Wearables app with the Buds 2 Pro's many configurable capabilities is only accessible for other Android users. Touch gestures. The earbuds will emit a noise when you touch the control panel to indicate that they have received your command. The personalization of user controls, however, is severely restricted.
Not cool.
Customization is limited to only one touch control, and even then, only one command type is allowed. Volume up is assigned to the right touch and volume down to the left as the default for the touch and hold command. If you want to modify it, you may choose from a predetermined list, but Samsung won't allow you to combine options. For those who don't have access to a smart speaker, you may also program in voice instructions using the press and hold method. When paired with a Samsung smartphone, Hi Bixby allows you to instantly get contextual voice assistance for a wide range of tasks. Spotify Tap also supports the tap and hold gesture, which may be programmed into it. Your current listening position will be remembered by the headphones and resumed from there. Active Noise Cancelling. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, love them or hate them, cancels out ambient noise more effectively than Apple's AirPods Pro.
Really?
Reportedly blocking out 40% more ambient noise than their predecessor, these headphones perform a decent job at reducing white noise nevertheless. This apparatus effectively dampens wind noise. That's because the mic array in each earbud works wonderfully with the windshield to cancel out ambient noise at maximum volume, while also reducing the prominence of the wind. For the mummies and daddies, do you have a toddler who won't stop crying and whining? Get the Galaxy Bud 2 Pro and you won't hear a thing. But wait, no bad parenting advice here. In any case, switching to ANC mode will effectively isolate you from ambient noise. This is not an exaggeration. The sound of common disturbances such as chit-chatting passersby, blaring kitchen appliances, and noisy TVs will be muffled entirely. So, you now realize that we were not joking when we mentioned that this would be your best mate. With its realistic features, enough battery life, excellent audio quality, and remarkable active noise cancellation, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro will not give you a run for your money. Another fantastic Samsung wearable that will complete your fashionable look is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. This watch is the most rugged smartwatch with fitness monitoring, blood pressure tracking, and GPS. There is more about it in our next video, so click to watch.